All right, I'll if anyone's curious or if I remember, I'll let you guys know how that worked out. Okay, we're off to a weird start. Hi everyone, I'm Wigo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wigo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old and love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you stop by because you're curious what you receive in a MODA brush mystery bag, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Holy cow, this thing is huge. I ordered this on Tuesday, August the 10th. It was placed for shipment on Wednesday, August the 11th, and I received it today, Saturday, August the 14th. Isn't that fast? I am shook. I can't remember how much the mystery bag was. I want to say $29. I will list on the screen. One of my viewers, thank you viewer, if you haven't checked out her channel, her name is Tiffany, and her channel is Tiffany's Mysteries, which I will link in the eye above. She does fantastic unboxing videos. All right, she let me know about this, and of course I'm a sucker, and I purchased it. Oh my god, this outer box has stuff galore inside. I also think possibly in addition to the mystery box, I might have made another purchase to get free shipping because, you know, that's how I roll. And I believe I got a free brush, which is this guy here. Hold on, let me unpack the madness. So in order to get free shipping, I was $6 or $7 shy of hitting the dollar amount they require for free shipping. So I went and bought something else. This here is the EZGlam Duo Smoky Eye, and you get 2 brushes, and they are very, very cute. Also, with my purchase, I received a free brush, which is this brush here, and this is, what kind of a brush is it? It just says free brush. Let's take it out of the package. Alright, so on the side it says glow, and this would be good for highlighter. Excellent. Alright, on to the star of the video. Comes in its own little fancy box. So I'm guessing that anyone who orders this, it will be the same. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe this is what their boxes look like. I have received MODA brushes in, I want to say, like Ipsy and BoxyCharm, and I may have picked one up in one of those 2 boxes add-ons, but I have never made a purchase from their site before. So I don't know if this packaging is just for the mystery box or if that's just what they're, whenever you make an order, if it comes like that. All right, without further ado, let's dig in. All right. I'm sorry. But that was a little wah, wah, wah. Look how big this box is. And then it's not filled to the rim. Maybe I'm a little spoiled. But, okay. I digress. Ooh, I'm super excited. Where was this, like, 2 hours ago? I just watched a whole bunch of brushes. So this is the MODA Spa. Oh, wait. Body Exfoliating Pad. Okay, I wonder if I can use this to clean my brushes. Honestly, MODA sells brushes. I thought this was, like, to clean your brushes. Alright, so it has a little place. Oh my god. I can barely get my fingers in there. It's silicone. Ooh. I'm not, if I exfoliate my body, I'm using like an exfoliating lotion. I'm not one to loofah. But I think I am going to use this to clean my brushes. Alright, I'll, if anyone's curious, or if I remember, I'll let you guys know how that worked out. Okay, we're off to a weird start. All right, here is the next item. It is a large 5-brush set. It's the MODA Mythical Pro Makeup Brushes Splash Travel Kit. Oh, okay. It's the design here. Let me see if I can take this out without destroying the packaging. I may put this in a future giveaway. I can't get it undone. It looks kind of like mermaid kind of theme. And I'm just not a fan of shorter brushes. I'll need to canoodle on this. Also the green and the pink. Not my cup of tea. But a brush is a brush, so it may be good. Alright, on to the next item. Alright, so here we have the MODA Pro 5-piece Deluxe Eye Kit. I swear I received this or picked this up in a BoxyCharm or an add-on sale. Something very similar. Alright, I'll definitely use that. Alright, next item. Interesting. It's kind of like a random kit here. Let me dig into this bag and see. This does not seem like a kit. It looks like 4 to 5 one-off brushes that they just kind of packaged up together. Let's get them out and see what they look like. Okay, so we have this brush here, which is a very interesting shape. I've never had a brush that was shaped like this before. It's kind of dense and tapered. I think that would be really good to get underneath the lash line. Yes, okay. Now this brush here, same kind of shade and packaging, is very, very tiny and stiff. If you did eyeliner, that might be good. This brush is very interesting. It is flat and almost like a miniature size contour brush. And I don't know what that would be good for, but I will make it work. And then this brush here is interesting. It's angled down and it's a little dense. This one's dense. And she looks like a punk rocker. Alright, so 4 random single brushes. And the last item is this brush here, which is a multi-purpose powder blending brush. Very exuberant colors. So you get this teal, neon hot pink, and then this super bright purple. All right, let's recap everything I got in this MODA brush mystery box. So we got a powder brush, 4 different shape, size eyeshadow brushes, a 5-piece eyeshadow brush set, a 5-piece travel brush set, and a body exfoliator. I also got a highlighter brush, which this was a free with purchase. And then I picked up a 2-brush eyeshadow set in order to hit free shipping. What are your thoughts? I'm going to list on the screen the grand total of the MSRP value versus what I paid for the mystery box. Are you into MODA brushes? Are you like me where you love brushes? It doesn't really matter the name or the brand. I am excited to have more brushes in my life. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love for you to subscribe. For those who have, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. And don't forget to click the bell icon so that you're notified of future videos. And you see this guy down there? It looks kind of like this. It would mean the world to me if you would hit that like button. It really does help with that YouTube algorithm. All right. Thanks, everyone.